Wait a minute, that's not the door poem.
No, it's not.
If I were the floor, I'd be down below. If I were a book, I'd be on the shelf.
No! I were a door.
If I were a tree, I'd be in the ground.
Yeah!
No.
If I were a door.
If I were your glasses, I'd be on your face.
Yeah!
If I were your shoes, I'd be on your feet. If I were a door, I'd swing through the night. I'd fill people up with terror and fright. I think it'd be fun to squeak like a mouse. To make people think there's mice in their house. I'd twist my own knob, I'd slam myself shut. I'd take out my hinges and act like a nut. I think it'd be cool to jam up my lock and make people jump whenever I knock. If I were a door, you'd be out of luck. As soon as you're near me, I'd fake being stuck. There'd be lots of pranks that I could explore. Oh, life would be perfect if I were a door.